Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most legendary names in American muscle, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS 396. The Camaro has always been a symbol of raw power, and for 2026, Chevy brings back the SS 396 badge with modern technology, bold styling, and improved performance. Let's dive into every detail. Body panels. The body panels of the 2026 Camaro SS 396 are sculpted to emphasize speed and strength. The aggressive stance, widened fenders, and sleek aerodynamic lines aren't just for looks, they're designed to reduce drag and enhance downforce at high speeds. Lightweight materials like aluminum and composites also improve handling and acceleration. Headlights. The headlights feature a slimmer, more futuristic LED design. With adaptive beam technology, they automatically adjust to road conditions and traffic, ensuring crystal clear visibility whether you're cruising at night or carving through twisty roads. Taillights. At the back, the taillights showcase Chevrolet's signature dual-element LED pattern, giving the Camaro a distinctive look that muscle car fans will instantly recognize. They also illuminate faster than traditional bulbs, adding an extra layer of safety. Grille. The grille is bold, wide, and functional. It not only gives the Camaro SS its aggressive front-end appearance but also channels airflow to cool the big 396 engine under the hood. Active grille shutters further improve aerodynamics at highway speeds. Seats. Inside, the seats are built for performance and comfort. Sport bucket seats with heavy bolstering keep the driver and passenger in place during spirited driving. Higher trims offer leather and Alcantara with heating, ventilation, and memory functions for added luxury. Dashboard. The dashboard is driver-focused, with an angled center stack that puts all controls within easy reach. Premium soft-touch materials and carbon fiber accents give the cabin a sporty yet upscale feel. Infotainment system. The infotainment system includes a crisp 12-inch touchscreen running Chevrolet's latest interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with a premium Bose audio system that delivers crystal-clear sound for every drive. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed for that race-inspired feel, wrapped in leather with paddle shifters mounted behind it. Integrated controls for audio, calls, and driving modes make it both functional and stylish. Engine. Now to the heart of the beast in the engine. The 2026 Camaro SS 396 is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V8, producing around 475 horsepower and 460 pounds-feet of torque. This engine delivers blistering acceleration, a thunderous exhaust note, and classic muscle car thrills with modern efficiency upgrades. Hybrid option. Chevrolet also offers a mild hybrid option, where a small electric motor assists the V8 for improved fuel economy and instant torque. While purists might prefer the raw gas-powered V8, the hybrid system adds versatility for daily driving without sacrificing performance. Airbags. The Camaro comes with a full suite of airbags, including front, side, curtain, and knee airbags. Combined with a reinforced body structure, the SS 396 offers serious protection even in high-speed scenarios. Parking assist. Even muscle cars need modern conveniences. The Camaro SS features parking assist with sensors and a rear-view camera. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera system, making it easier to maneuver this powerful machine in tight spaces. Battery. The battery in the Camaro SS is engineered to support not only the traditional starter system but also the optional mild hybrid setup. It's durable, compact, and designed to handle performance demands. Lighting. The lighting package includes LED ambient lighting inside the cabin, which can be customized to match your driving mood. On the outside, sequential turn signals and animated welcome lighting add a premium touch. Charging. For the hybrid model, charging happens through regenerative braking and the gas engine, so there's no need to plug in. This ensures you get hybrid efficiency without changing your daily habits. Trunk space. The trunk space is practical for a sports coupe. While not massive, it's large enough for weekend bags or a couple of golf clubs, making the Camaro usable for road trips as well as track days. Folding seats. The rear seats fold down in a 60-40 split, extending cargo capacity when needed. It's a thoughtful addition for drivers who want both performance and practicality. Roof rails. Unlike SUVs, the Camaro doesn't come with roof rails, but Chevrolet does offer accessories like bike racks and roof-mounted carriers for those who want to push utility even further. Price. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS 396 is expected to start at around $47,000, with higher trims and hybrid options pushing it up to about $60,000. Considering its blend of heritage, technology, and raw performance, that's an appealing price point. Release date. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS 396 is set to hit dealerships in late 2025. Meanwhile, the 2026 Toyota Corolla will arrive earlier, expected in mid-2025. Ending note. And that's our full review of the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS 396, a car that perfectly balances old-school muscle with modern-day tech. With its powerful V8, hybrid option, bold design, and driver-focused interior, the Camaro continues to carry the muscle car torch into the future. What do you think? Does the new SS 396 live up to the Camaro legend? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.